Welcome to part 2 of the live number testing tutorial, where we will talk about how to interpret your test results. At the top of the results table, you'll be able to filter your test results based on your set criteria. You can add or remove the filters that you don't need. To the right of the timestamp of your test and the MCC-MNC we tested is the DLR and receipt status column. This is the most important column in this section, as it shows the comparison of the delivery report your supplier forwarded to you and the receipt status that we received from our test number. The DLR is forwarded from your SMS platform to us via the SMPP bind we had established, and this is the value that you come to Telq to verify. Keep in mind that we have no influence over what DLR is displayed here, as this information comes from your vendor. The receipt status, on the other hand, is the real delivery information which we received through the PDU from our test device. It shows whether the message has been delivered on our phone and whether sender or text were changed. Positive result indicates that the message arrived unchanged, while sender ID and text replay statuses point to content modification. Wait status means that our phone is still waiting to receive delivery confirmation, and this status changes to negative if the message was failed to be delivered during your test's time to live, which by default is 1 hour. You can learn about other possible receipt statuses in our help section. There are cases where you will notice a positive DLR from your vendor and a negative receipt status from us. If you encounter such a case, please do not escalate the test details to your SMS vendor to avoid them manipulating future test results. Be sure to check out our best practices video to learn more about this. For those messages with confirmed delivery, we display the sender ID and text that was sent and delivered. You will see green values when the content that was sent matches the one that was delivered, and marked in red is the content which was modified. You can click on the values for the comparison. To the right is the phone number that we allocated for your request from our coverage, and you will also see which SMSC delivered the message. This information is helpful to determine whether your message was delivered via a direct or a non-direct route. You will also be able to check the latency in the DLR receipt delay column, which shows the time between triggering the test in Telq and receiving the DLR or the result in the platform. If you're interested in learning which section of the message's path caused the delay, click on the delay value to view the timestamps. And lastly, in the Actions column, you will find the test case with all the test details of this particular test, including the PDU retrieved from this device and the message ID. You can repeat your test batch with the Repeat button or select like this the tests you would like to repeat. The 3 dots contain the actions to copy the results value, write or view a comment, and report a phone number bug. Feel free to use the bug icon anytime you would like to report a number for suspicious behavior. Our support team will review and will let you know their findings via email. Now you are fully equipped to send your tests and interpret the results. Happy testing!